Hi my loves, Z here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my beautiful face for the first time, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in my last video I spoke about how I made my first million. If you have not seen that video, please make sure to watch that video, or just click the link somewhere here or here, just so you watch that video. So I spoke about making my first million from cryptocurrency, and I said if you guys wanted me to talk about cryptocurrency, just let me know. And I got a couple of messages, a couple of comments in the comment section talking about how I should make a video on cryptocurrency. Okay, so I decided to do that for you guys today. If that sounds like something you'd like to see, please stay to the very end of this video. So today we are delving into the exciting world of cryptocurrency, and I'll be giving you an overview of cryptocurrency and why it is a hot topic in the financial world today. Okay, so let's move right into it. First of all, what is cryptocurrency? Well, in layman's terms, because really I'm making this video to explain cryptocurrency like a 5-year-old to you, just so you understand the basics of it. Now, cryptocurrency is just currency but in the virtual world. What does that mean? It means like a currency that you're not holding in your hand. It's not hard currency, like it's online. Okay, so it's just virtual currency. I have my other phone here and I'm just checking through it, okay, because I have like some things pointed out in case you see me looking down. Okay, so yeah, the basics of cryptocurrency, or how people make money in cryptocurrency, is you buy a coin when it's at a particular price low and you sell when it is high. Now, that is not the only way to make money on cryptocurrency, but that is the basics. And since I'm making this video for you as a beginner, those are the basics you need to know. But then there are some steps you need to know before you even decide that you want to start trading crypto. Now, the very first step is do your own research. Do your research. And why would I say do your own research? See, no matter how much they tell you about cryptocurrency, you have to find some information by yourself. Now, it's going to take you finding information by yourself and then now going to ask somebody that you consider an expert or better than you, has better knowledge than you, to clarify. But do your own research with any coin you want to buy, or just do research generally about cryptocurrency, just so that you have a basic understanding. There are a lot of materials for you to online for you to see what cryptocurrency is about. Okay, so I'm not going to bore you with that, but please, the very first step to starting cryptocurrency or to getting into cryptocurrency is doing your own research. Okay, now the next step is, after you've done your own research, now I'm pretty sure when you do your research, you find out that there are two forms of cryptocurrency. There's the long-term cryptocurrency and the short-term cryptocurrency. So the second step after you've done your research is, do you want to be a long-term holder in cryptocurrency, or do you want to be a short-term holder? Do you want to trade short-term? Okay, now there's some people that just go on crypto, buy the crypto, leave it for years. I belong to that category. Okay, but yeah, you buy cryptocurrency, you leave it there, and then you don't touch it, you don't trade with it, just leave it there and just leave it till whenever it grows, or to a particular year when you, maybe after when your child turns 18 and you're like, okay, go do this thing and take it. Okay, so there are some long-term traders that hold their coins and maybe they just have a fixed time they want to withdraw it, or there are some that now buy, which is a short-term buy. Okay, so after you've done your research, decide on which one you want to do. Are you doing cryptocurrency to get money for the now, or you're doing cryptocurrency because long term? Okay, so you have to decide on that. Then the third thing is finding out which broker or which app you would like to use. I personally is going to suggest to use the one that I started with, which is Binance. A lot of you must have heard of Binance. You must have seen Binance here, you must have seen Binance there, but I would 100% suggest that you start your trading with Binance. I'll give you and I'll show you how I start, navigate Binance. The interface is very user friendly, so it's pretty easy to use. Okay, so I'm just going to open it here on my phone for you guys to see later in this video. So stay to the very end of this video if you want to see how to open an account with Binance and just the basics before you now talk of actual trading. I'll just show you around Binance. Okay, then another thing, after you've downloaded the app, you've registered and all that, you're confirmed and all that, the next thing I think is learn how to place your trade and how to read charts. Okay, so once you've learned how to place your trade, it means you know how to buy, you know how to sell. And if you're trading other forms of that, is not just buying and selling, then once you've learned that, you've known how to read a chart, like you know when you see the crypto chart, you know this is going up and this is coming down, and this going up means, oh, it's increasing, and this coming down means, once you've been able to understand that, then crypto has become easy. Now I'm not here to tell you that it is as easy as I'm saying it, okay, but I'm here to tell you that it is doable. Okay, it is 100% doable. Now there are different forms of cryptocurrency. Okay, well, the very first cryptocurrency ever created is Bitcoin, and I'm pretty sure if you are watching this video to learn about cryptocurrency, you've heard about Bitcoin, because that's like the most popular cryptocurrency ever. Okay, so we have Bitcoin and we have altcoins. Now altcoins are every other coin except Bitcoin, because Bitcoin is, alt means alternative coins. Okay, so every other coin except Bitcoin. So those altcoins include Ethereum, we have Ripple, we have Litecoin, you know, they're just every other coin really that you've been hearing about except Bitcoin. Then we now have meme coins, but meme coins I feel like it is too advanced for a beginner, so I'm not going to talk about it in this video at all. Okay, so we have Bitcoin, we have the altcoins, then meme coins. Majorly for a beginner, I'll suggest that you start with altcoins, because except you now have large amount of money that you want to get into Bitcoin, and the market is currently down, like I said in my last video, which is now the best time to go into the market, because once the market comes up, only the investors that invested now will benefit from it. So now is the very best time. In fact, if you are going to get into the market right now, you are profiting more than us that even entered when the market was up. Okay, so yeah, that's what you need to know. To start cryptocurrency, what do you need? You need a phone or a laptop, something that gives you access to the internet. Okay, you need internet connection, that's data. So once you have your phone and you have data, and then your capital. Okay, yeah, once you have your phone, data, and capital. And now capital does not have to be a lot of money, it could be $10. And how much is $10 in naira? As at today, let's say 700 and something naira per dollar, so $10 is about 7,000 something. And then if you really are serious, you can just use that 7,000 naira to commence. You know, if it doesn't even have to be $10, it can be $5. Okay, it has to be, I would suggest $10 and above. Okay, but since you are just a beginner, I would suggest that you start with about $10, $20. So within 10,000 naira, 20,000 naira, to just start your buying and selling. Then when you feel like you have better knowledge, you can go ahead and pump in the money into cryptocurrency and just trade better, okay, with more money. So I'm going to show you this right now. I will screen record it, so it'll be on your screen right now. Okay, so you'll be watching along with me. Hey guys, so let's get right into it. So I have my Binance app here. I just opened this Binance. Now this is not the phone where my Binance is logged in normally, okay, but I just want to show you guys what it's like if you just download a new Binance. This is the iOS version of it. I don't particularly know what the Android version of it is like, but if you don't have opportunity to download it on your phone, you can always log into the website www.binance.com, and you will just, it's like I said, the interface is very user friendly, so it's easy to understand, but I just want to give you an overview. So once you see this, you either sign up with your email or your phone. That's going to be a long process right now, so I'll just sign in with my Apple ID. But if you are going to log in with, like I said, if you have an Android phone, please log in with your Gmail or whatever you have. Google, yeah, you can continue with Google, but I'm going to just continue with my Apple. Hold on. Yeah. Okay, so I'm continuing my Apple right now. So the Binance would open and I'll just show you guys. Accounts created, done. I went through some hassle, just like I said. I just opened this account like right now. I literally just downloaded it on this phone because I don't use this phone to trade, but I just did it so that I would be able to see what I'm doing while I'm filming my other phone. Okay, so I didn't want to go through the hassle of the verification and all that because I'm not going to use this account. Okay, I just want to show you guys what it looks like. So let's do this again. So after you've done your registration, your verification, your passkey, please, when you see a passkey, please save it. Make sure you save it somewhere safe. Okay, they'll give you the instruction while you're going through it. Don't just overlook it. If you're given a key, save it, because it's going to help you in case you forget your login details or something. It's just going to help you verification later. Please just save it. I opened my Binance about 5, 6, 7 years ago. I can't remember when exactly, and I still have my passkey. Okay, so just save it somewhere very, very safe. So when you open your Binance, you're going to see something like this. And then I use Binance Pro. You click on this top side that looks like a human being. I don't know what to call it, but you click there, and then you're going to see this is exactly what you're going to see. I use Binance Pro. You see this place where they put Binance Pro? That is what I use, and that is what I think is understandable. But this is, according to some other people, this is more user friendly, but I can explain the Binance Pro better. Okay, so you just switch to Binance Pro here, and then it switches immediately to Binance Pro. That's Binance Professional. Okay, so this is what you can see. I still have this verify identity thing, and that's because, like I said, I just opened this account right now. I've not been able to verify my identity, and I can't because I heard you can't open one Binance account with the same NIN or the same BVN and all that. It has to be one account per BVN, and I don't have 2 BVN, so I can't do that. Okay, so this is what you're going to see when you open it, and I'm just going to show you an overview, like show you around basically here. Like you can see down below, you see your home, market, trade. This is where you trade later. Okay, fuck, it's so difficult because everything is just stressing me out because it's a new account. Like I said, I don't need all this information, so people that are just starting, Holy Ghost. But yeah, so this is where you're trading, but let's leave that for now. And there's something called features, and then this is where your wallet is. Now this is where whatever money you're going to put into Binance is. Okay, if you want me to explain how to get money into Binance, or let's just see if I can do that right now. Okay, so you see this place where there's a P2P trade. You can see P2P trading here. You can click on it, confirm. So here is where you see people that you can buy dollars from into your Binance wallet, and that's why in Nigeria we're able to boycott CBN's rule. You know, there was a time CBN banned Binance, so we're able to boycott Binance because we can buy directly from fellow Nigerians that want to sell. Okay, because some people are trying, the way you're trying to get your money into Binance, there are some people that they've cashed out and they want to get their money back into Naira. But since we can't buy directly to our banks, you come here on this P2P and you see people, you can see people are selling their dollars for the rate of this one is 760.1, 760.1. Then the quantity you want to buy. So if you want to buy, let's say I want to buy $10, you can see the quantity here, and the limit for this person is 96,000. It means that the person doesn't want to be selling their dollar $10. Okay, they want to sell it at once. They need their money at once. Okay, so you just look for somebody that is within your range. Like if you see the next person, limit is 10,000 to 50,000 naira. So that means if you want to buy dollar of 10,000 or 20,000 and all that, the person can sell to you. Okay, so if I'm buying 20,000, I'm going to click on the next person, which is buy, and you just go from there. Okay, I have to complete my verification and all that to be able to trade, but I've not done that right now, and I'm not going to do that with this phone, and I can't there's no way I'll be able to show you because I'm filming with my actual phone. So yeah, this is what it's like. And then if you want me to make a video on how to buy dollar on Binance and all that, like extensive video, how to convert into spots, from spots to your trading account and all that, please let me know. Okay, let me know. I'm going to do that for you, but I think it's pretty easy. Just you can watch other videos on YouTube about how to buy, but like I said, all you need to trade cryptocurrency, your phone, laptop, anything that can give you access to the internet and actual internet connection. That's your data. Once you have that, and your capital, of course, once you have that, you're good to go. So I think I'm just going to stop here right now. Really, I'm just going to stop here. I do hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed filming it. I just had to do a run through. Like I said in the beginning of this video, just got back from work. I had to just do all of this and come here and explain this to you before it gets too late, because I'm going to work tomorrow as well. So guys, I do hope you enjoy watching this video. If there's anything else you'd like to know, you can send me a message, because I don't think I want to make another video on cryptocurrency right now. So after now, I guess this might be the last video for now. Yeah. But if there's anything you want me to film on cryptocurrency, please let me know, and then I'll consider doing it. But I do hope you understand all that I said. I hope you begin your cryptocurrency journey, and I hope that you make profits and come back and pay your tithe. Please like this video, share this video to your friends, and ensure that you engage in the comment sections, just to encourage me to keep doing more. Because like I said, I'm very exhausted, but because of my promise to you guys, I had to come here and do this video. So please, you guys should keep your promise to me by watching, sharing to your friends, liking this video, and everything nice. Okay, thank you guys so much. I love you so much. Thank you for sticking with me. Our family is growing as well, and I'm very excited. So like this video as usual, just so that the algorithm goes out there and people see my video. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.